Kaya alam po nyo madalas, bakit marami sa atin stress? You go to the social media, panay lahat na lang yung mga away-away na mga, sino ba yung mga yan? They destroy our peace. Issues. Naku, kailangan yung top of every issue. And you have the right opinion about everything. Wow. Stop. Try to step back. Step back. The world will go on without you, without me. Believe me. So if you say, I'm just a little voice, but I'm not the biggest voice. I'm not the brightest. It's okay to step back. Hindi ka lang ikaw palaging na sumasama, that you have to know everything about everyone. Step back. Less stressful po.